You want to see something gross this morning? So this is the studio. Radio 104.1 studio. Okay. This is Bomba. DRC's back there. Front door. Refrigerator. Water. Popcorn. Vending machine. Sink. Da-da-da. You know, regular ass break room. Then look at this. Look at this. A gumball machine filled with cashews. Who eats out of the cashew gumball machine? Look. Cashews. Cashews. Disgusting. Somebody fills this thing up. Look. Look how dusty those M&Ms are. But cashews? You put a quarter in here, you could get a handful of cashews. Good. So yesterday, I asked you if you wanted to see something gross, and I showed you the cashews in the break room. Who in God's name would go and get cashews out of a gumball machine? This is what I'm talking about. Cashews in a gumball machine. Yesterday, I needed to get something out of Amy Gray's office. There's her. There's her pretty flowers. There's her kid. There's her thing. Obviously, it looks like Amy Gray's office. This is what it would look like, right? So I sit down yesterday, and I'm like, oh yeah, I'm going to do some work. Blah, blah, blah. I'm Amy Gray. Blah, blah, blah. And then I went to get a pen, and I opened up this drawer, and I knew